Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Lexis and Company. So in this video, we're gonna discuss cybercrime, a threat to data privacy. In this era of globalization and technology, we all know that the related crimes have also evolved, resulting in the bubbling up of cybercrimes. As the name suggests, the crime committed in a cyber or virtual world is defined as cybercrime. There is a plethora of cybercrimes. For instance, fraud with personal identity, banking or financial theft, selling and stealing corporate data, cryptojacking, and cyber espionage, ransomware attacks. After the right to privacy was declared as an integral part of Article 21 of the Constitution of India, uh, in the case of Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and another versus Union of India, this issue gained a lot more limelight. Firstly, the importance of privacy must be interpreted separately to understand the meaning of data privacy. Privacy does not have a well-framed definition, so it can be roughly defined as a person's right to control the usage mechanism of their data. While suffering through the internet, they are not being monitored. Hence, data privacy is a subset of data security that deals with managing data, who is using it, and in what form. Therefore, cybercrime is a real threat to an individual data privacy, including any kind of data stored virtually, whether sensitive or insensitive. The only law to tackle this issue in India is the already discussed Information Technology Act 2000, as amended by the Information Technology Amendment Act 2008, by which the judiciary had also given several landmark judgments. Despite advances in passing and putting into practice cyber legislation, cybercrime has not yet been completely eradicated. Governments can only hope that a cyber criminal can be found and punished, as there isn't much they can do to stop it. In order to secure their personal information as much as possible, internet users should be more cautious about the website they visit and familiarize themselves with their privacy policy. So thank you. See you in next video with some more information.